Hi there, I'm Azmi Abadi bin Azman, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about ornamental fish trade and corals for the final assessment in subject AQU307 ornamental fish culture, specifically for Madam Norliza Grunsin. As for the introduction, I'll be talking about the significance of coral reefs towards ornamental fish culture. As one should know, the coral reef's ecosystem contributes a lot of benefits towards ornamental fish culture. One of the reasons is because coral reefs act as an habitat and feeding grounds for them. Without the presence of coral reefs, the survivability of the fishes will most likely decrease, which makes it hard for them to have a stable supply of ornamental fish to culture. Moreover, coral reefs slows down the occurrence of climate change and are also involved in stabilizing biogeochemical cycles. The reason behind this is that coral reefs contains a symbiotic algae called zooxanthellae, which produces oxygen from carbon dioxide, which keeps the ecosystem stable. Therefore, fish can live safely without the sudden change in the environment. Lastly, coral reefs provide a coral holobiont system which is capable of fixing nutrients and building biomass and carbonate structures in nutrient-poor waters so that fishes have the suitable environment for them to continue on living for a very long time. Next, I'm going to talk about how ornamental fisheries affect corals. As one can see on the slide, it shows multiple causes that affects the corals based on the article. On the top right, one can see an image showing oil spillage from boats that try to capture ornamental fish. Oil spillage does not only affect corals directly, but eventually it reaches them where it could contaminate and suffocate the corals, preventing them from fully functioning, and below it, it shows a method used to capture fish, which is by using explosives. Explosives does not only contain chemicals, but the impact may also break the corals in pieces. On the lower part, it shows that them using deep water trawling to capture fish. This method does not only destroy corals, but also the whole ecosystem, because it scrapes everything from the seabed. Lastly, on the left side is cyanide fishing method. Similar to the oil spill, using cyanide also kills coral polyps and degrades the reef's habitat. Therefore, as an aquaculture student, I have proposed 6 ways that people can practice in protecting the world's remaining corals. The first one is that when going snorkeling or any other activities in coral reefs, do not touch the corals as they are fragile and can easily be broken. Next one is that do not litter in the sea as the waste can suffocate the corals directly or indirectly. Other than that is not to swim too near to the corals as people tend to be clumsy and destroy them by accident. In contrast to that is by raising awareness regarding importance of corals so people are more aware regarding the matter. Moving on is avoiding fishing or boating near corals as these activities may destroy them. Lastly is by planting the corals back to restore damaged ecosystem. And in conclusion, coral reefs does not only brings many benefits towards our ecosystem but also aquatic lives. Therefore, it is vital that we as a human being are aware of the matter and the consequences of our actions toward coral reefs. Hence, coral reefs should be appreciated and cared more so that it can last from generations to generations without it ever experiencing bleaching. As one can see on the right side, it shows that corals experience bleaching, while on the left side it shows that it is healthy. And that is all from me. Hopefully you'll enjoy and understand this video. Thank you.